Hi, my name is Rachel Phillips Barnidge. I'm a nurse practitioner in the Health and Wellness Office, and I'm happy to share with you 5 ways that you can boost your immunity over the next 5 weeks. This is a hot topic in the midst of a pandemic when everyone wants to stay healthy and avoid the common cold, flu, and virus. It's also an important topic in our college years when we tend to have stress on our plate with the demands of academics and extracurricular activities. We tend to lose sleep sometimes because of those demands, and sometimes eat junkier foods. So I'm going to give you ways that you can build and boost your immunity over the next 5 weeks to stay healthy this semester and beyond. The first topic we're going to talk about today is stress reduction. This is important because high stress suppresses our immune system in a number of ways. With high stress, we have high levels of cortisol, which is our main stress hormone. And cortisol reduces the number of innate immune cells that you have on board in your system. Cortisol is released from the adrenal glands. It's highest in the morning. It gives you your energy to get up and go. And then it naturally declines over the course of the day and reaches its lowest level at bedtime. But with chronic stress, this cortisol level can sometimes be high at bedtime, making it difficult to fall asleep, and that makes you feel more stressed. The other hormones at play with our stress response are epinephrine and norepinephrine. These formulate our fight or flight response from the sympathetic branch of our nervous system. These chemicals raise your heart rate, raise your respiratory rate, and raise your blood pressure. This system is necessary for us to respond to threats and danger, like a fire or a bear. It's designed for acute stress, but in most of us, it's activated the majority of the time. So worrying about something that might happen, taking an exam, being caught in rush hour commute, all of these can trigger that fight or flight response. And this chronic stress puts this system into overdrive. We can sometimes be unaware of this stress. We can have high levels of cortisol circulating through our system without even noticing its impact. We don't necessarily need to be in a full-blown panic attack for these chronic levels of stress to be impacting us. So stress is a natural and inevitable part of life. The key to reducing stress is being able to respond to stress in a healthy way. And we do that by activating the parasympathetic branch of our nervous system. This system, its primary function is to rest and digest. It slows the heart rate, lowers your blood pressure, and it increases your body's ability to feel calm and relaxed. So how do we activate this branch of the nervous system? Some examples would be spending time in nature, breath awareness, meditation, mindful connection to your body, such as yoga, or using a mantra, which is a repetitive word or prayer. So if we look at some of these examples more specifically, when we talk about breathing, breathing is one of the fastest and easiest ways to activate that parasympathetic response. Consciously slowing down your breath automatically lowers your heart rate and lowers your blood pressure. Studies have shown that students who practice deep breathing for a few minutes before an exam perceive less anxiety, less self-doubt, and less concentration difficulties than those who don't. And breathing doesn't have to take a lot of time out of your day. You can just start with 5 or 6 breaths at a time. And a simple example would be inhaling and exhaling for equal counts. So inhaling for a count of 5 and exhaling for a count of 5. Just 5 or 6 times, and that can activate that parasympathetic response. Meditation is also a great way to do this. It doesn't have to take a lot of time out of your day. You can start with 3 to 5 minutes. There are many types out there. A simple example would be a 3-minute body scan. But there are wonderful resources with thousands of free meditations online. We have some on our website in the virtual relaxation room. And there's also a wonderful app called the Insight Timer app that has thousands of free meditations you can choose by time or topic. So if you have 5 minutes or you are having trouble sleeping, you can choose meditations to guide you in that way. Yoga is also a wonderful way to activate that relaxation response, and there are many free yoga classes on that Insight Timer app as well. So doing these practices when you feel non-stressed helps your body find that state of calm when you do feel stressed. And while sometimes it might feel unproductive in the moment, remember, you're resetting your nervous system. So So I hope you can choose some of these practices over the course of this week. And even if you don't choose one of these, just putting your phone away as you walk through campus and paying attention to the sights, sounds, and smells around you is a great way to start incorporating mindfulness into your day. So I hope you find some moments of relaxing and calm during your week. I hope to see you next week to learn more, and please see us in the Health and Wellness office at any time. Thanks for listening.